Today I will show you how to make element made in Romanian point lace technique. For work you need mat, a ball of yarn, ready cord, pin, scissors, sewing needle. I have already pinned my cord in the shape of the round and sew places of contiguity, and I have already divided my round on 8 parts. Now I'm working with sewing needle and thread. With the needle go through the loop of the cord, like this, from the up to the down, and pin. I skip 2 loops, and with the needle go through the 3rd loop, from the up to the down, pull a little bit, and pin it. Continue, skip 2 loops, and with the needle go through the 3rd loop from the up to the down. Pin it. And pull a little bit. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I have done my all stitches. And wrap these 2 threads and wrap 1 thread. Now I'm going to work with all threads. Wrap it. With the needle go under the next thread and wrap it. With the needle go under the next thread and wrap it. With the needle go under the next thread. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. As you can see, I have got a small round in the middle. Now work with these 2 threads. With the needle go under the 2nd thread, and with the needle go under the 2 threads. With the needle go through the loop. The base for the flower is done. Let's make petals for the flower. I pin this part of the work. Now I am working with stitches. Let's begin the work. In this case I pin 4 threads. With the needle go under the 2nd thread. With the needle go under the 2nd thread. With the needle go under the 1st thread. With the needle go under the 2nd thread. So continue working in this way till the end of the thread. Pull a little bit. I remove my pins. I have done the first petal. Continue working with the next petal. I'm going to work from the down to the up. With the needle go under the closer thread and with the needle go through the loop of the cord. Let's begin the work. With the needle go under the second thread and with the needle go under the first thread. I remind you we are working from the bottom to the up. And pull a little bit. The second petal is ready. We have done 2 petals, so continue working in this way till the end of this round. We have done the work and our flower is done. I removed all yarns along the cord. Let's take a look at the back side of this motif. Thanks for watching.